Welcome back, guys. So in the last lesson, we're able to digest email. So let's say we want to write a new email. So we're able to digest, but what if we want to write a mail or want to reply to a mail? So we could reply, we could write a mail, we could do all of that. So let's see how to go about writing a new mail. If you were to reply, you could reply as well. So you could check something like this, and something like this as Belad Tech Academy and all those things. So let's say we want to try to write a new mail, or you want to reply to this. So show more suggestions. So you could say what suggest a reply. Yeah. So you could use suggest a reply, or you prompt yourself to suggest a reply. So you see here are a few options. Thanks for reaching out. I'll check out the website. I'm interested. So these are replies. So you could insert them into your inbox input. So you could just take out the ones you don't want. So you could just take it out and send your reply right there. It's as simple as that. You having to reply emails are simple as that. And not just replying emails, you could actually draft a new mail. So let's do that right now. So let's say we want to compose a new email. So you could take this out. Actually, you could take this out. So let's say you want to compose a new email, and you have to click on compose to, you have to do why are you sending it to Belad Creative Studio. So let's say Belad Creative Studio at gmail at gmail.com, of course. So now we have the subject, so we could change the art is not showing. So we have art. I know you know basic email principle. You know what CC is, you know what BC is. So CC is carbon copy. It allows you to send a copy of an email to someone, and their email address will be visible to all recipients. So if you copy people, people will know that it is a group message. You can send a group message to people, like when you send a when you send an email and you use CC, people get to see that they are not the only ones seeing the email. But when you use BCC, it also sends a copy, but it keeps the BBC recipient email addresses completely completely hidden from all other recipients, including those in the TOE and CC feeds. So this is as simple. You use CC for a group who already knows each other, and BCC for privacy, or to inform others without revealing the other recipients. So it's as simple as that. So when you see CC and BC, now you know the use cases. So your subject, you could have a subject mail, and right now we want to use Gemini. So you could see this is Gemini right here. This pen tool is how to use Gemini to write. So you could say help me write. Okay, help me write an appointment letter to this person. The offer is a virtual assistant job role. Highlight the KPIs and performance metrics. So let's say we want to use this to write a mail for ourselves. So let's use that right away. So I'm going to have to create this. So let's see how it creates this new email for us. So you could see now an email has been written for us with Gemini. So it says dear candidate name. You could just change the name of the person to whatever. So you could have like something like dear Joy, of course. Could have something like dear. Okay, so what we want to do now is to insert this. If this looks good for us, you could insert this right here, or you refine whatever you have. You could refine it from here, or you could recreate. If you don't like this, you could recreate it, or you refine. If you have to refine, you could formalize, you could elaborate, you could shorten. So these are things you could do actually. So let me just insert it right now. So let me try to insert it to the mail. I could make it bigger right now, and all I have to do is to edit whatever we have right here. A mail has been waiting for you that way, and so far so good. This is how you can use Gemini to create a new email for yourself. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.